Hello friends, welcome back to Max Me Easy. Let's continue with fundamental concepts including fundamental operations, exercise 1B, part 1. Divide minus 16a b square c by 6abc. Here in this expression, they are asking us to divide with a when a expression is having only one term, what it is called? Mononomial. It is called as mononomial. When we are dividing with a mononomial, we need to follow this method. So when you are using a binomial to divide, you need to use the other method. So when you are going to asking to divide it with, so we are dividing with a mononomial, you need to follow this method. Make sure not the uh, dividend. Dividend can be mononomial or binomial, but the divisor should be mononomial. When the divisor is mononomial, only at that time you can use this method. Okay, here you can write it as 16 minus 16a b square c divided by 6abc. Right, division means you can write it as like this. And now you can just remove 2, cancel it in. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, and you can cancel this a, b, and only ones with b. So you will have 1 over here, 1b. You will have left over with 1b. C and C gets cancelled. When you get cancelled, what you get is minus 8b divided by 2. When the divisor is mononomial, only at that time you need to follow this method. Even here, see, the divisor is mononomial, having only one term. So you can put directly under it and divide it. 5 ones are 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5 fives are 5 fives are, and even here y only one time, and y you can cancel it over here. So what is left over? You can write it as it is, minus 5x square divided by y. Right? Let's move on to the third. Our third question, 8x plus 24 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor. So divisor, whenever the divisor is mononomial. Mono means having only one term. Mononomial, then you can just put this mononomial under each term and just cancel it. So here 4 ones are 4, 2s are 8. There is no x term in the denominator, so you cannot cancel this x term. 4 ones are 4, 6 are 24. So 2x plus 6 is the answer. 4a square minus a by minus a. Even here the minus a, the divisor, is mononomial. Whenever the divisor is mononomial, you need to follow this method. Just put this mononomial under each term and cancel it. A, and here a only once, so a remains here, and minus minus gets cancelled, a gets cancelled. Here one important point you need to remember is 4a square minus a, it's minus a is there, so this minus you can just get it beside this a and put a plus over here and separate it with a braces. See, when you plus into minus, when you multiply this both, plus into minus becomes minus, right? So it is one and the same. You can write either in this way. We are writing in this way because so that you can cancel minus over here and minus over here. For cancelling this, I have taken this minus inside the braces and replaced it with plus. So the answer is minus 4 plus a. Fifth question, 8m minus 16 by minus 8. Here the divisor is again a mononomial. So you can just divide it with each term. This is binomial. With each term you need to divide this minus 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 ones, 8 2. Here you are having minus sign, so you need to take it inside and then cancel it, but I have done over here itself. When you take it like this, you can cancel this minus easily. Here you can't cancel it. That's why I'm taking it inside. And here you will get m minus m plus 2. Minus 50 plus 40p, it's a binomial, and here it's mononomial. When you are dividing with mononomial, place this 10p under each term and cancel it. P won't get cancelled because there is no p term over here. 10 5s are, so it becomes minus 5 over here. Minus 1 divided by p, and here pp gets cancelled. Here 10 4s, 10 4s becomes 40. So minus 5 divided by p plus 4 is the answer. 4x cube minus 2x square by x. Here it is binomial, but the divisor is mononomial. Whenever it is mononomial, just place it under each term and just cancel. Even here, see, minus is in between, just get it along with minus 2x square and put a plus sign over here. You can write this statement has this also. See, when you multiply this minus inside, plus into minus, minus 2x square, it becomes the same. So now x and x square, you have to cancel only one x, and here also x, and here you can cancel only one x, so 1x remains as it is. So what you get is minus 4x square plus 2x. Here x and also get cancelled, but here in the denominator you are having minus, so that you can replace it in numerator. 10a cube minus 15a square b by minus 5a square. Here they are asking us to divide minus 5a square with this binomial. Whenever the divisor is mononomial, you have to do it in this method, right? Now you can just cancel it. 5 2s are, here 2 eggs get cancelled, and here also 2 a's gets cancelled. It will be left over with 1 a. Here also you can take this inside. In the next step I will show you. 5 3s are 15. Here 2a gets cancelled completely and left over with b. Because here we cannot cancel this minus. If it is like this, if it is like this, you cannot cancel it. That's why I have bought it inside, right? Here it's 15. I have made a mistake here. I haven't cancelled it actually. It is a typing mistake. It's 15, and this cancellation should be done here, but I have shown in a previous step itself. So the answer will be minus 2a plus 3b will be the answer. Here this minus 15. Let's move on to ninth question. Even here they have given an expression and which is to be divided with a mononomial. Here this expression is a trinomial because it has three terms. So whenever they are asking to divide it with mononomial, you need to divide this mononomial with each term of this trinomial. Here they have given minus, so you need to take this minus inside, so it becomes minus over here, and just cancel 4 ones are 4 threes are x, and x, only one x gets cancelled, so x square remains. Here y and y gets cancelled, minus 4 twos are 8 x and x, because here 1x and y gets cancelled. Even here it's the same, because here there is no minus in the denominator. I have placed it in the same place without changing it. If you have a minus in the denominator, then you need to take this inside the braces and just cancel it, and it becomes plus. Because there is no minus in the denominator, I am leaving it in the same way. Last and least, here also they have given a trinomial and which is to be divided with mononomial. So place this terms on one and under each other, and just here, see, here in this denominator there is minus, so I have taken this minus inside and placed a plus over here, and just cancel this minus and minus. Even here, if you do the cancellation, you will get minus 3a square plus 5ab minus 4b square. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell button. Check the description box for the fundamental concepts. Thank you.